Hi, I'm Nanmule and this is Neuroscience of Everything. To get your weekly dose of neuroscience backed tips and hacks, subscribe now. Anxiety and stress have become an unavoidable part of our modern lives and work. We often find ourselves in stressful and uncertain times. It's normal to feel overwhelmed and it impacts our well-being negatively. Some people report lack of focus and being fidgety. Staying calm amid all this chaos seems impossible. How do Navy SEALs deal with stress at work? After all, it is the most stressful job in the world. What is the Navy SEALs box breathing technique? Can you use it to reduce stress and improve focus? There is a simple technique endorsed by Navy SEALs. It can be done by anyone, anytime, anywhere. It's called as box breathing. You simply have to sit comfortably, inhale to a count of 4, hold that breath for 4 and exhale for 4 and hold your exhalation for 4. Help with your breathing. Here is a visual guide. As the circle expands, breathe in. Hold for 4 seconds and breathe out slowly. So let's try it together. Breathe in. Hold. And breathe out. Repeat as many times as you feel like. Neuroscience research supports benefit of box breathing. There are other advanced breathing techniques. I'm providing link in description. Also, there is a complete length article on Medium. Feel free to check out. Box breathing will not only calm you down, but improve your focus and make you ready for life.